Hello, investors. At Sharply, we are continuously making new tools and features that will help retail investors make informed investment decisions. And these tools are not just limited to stocks, but we are also making them for mutual funds as well as ETFs. So in this video, we will discuss about one such tool, which is called MagicBoard. Now, MagicBoard is created for both mutual funds and ETFs, and they are pretty much the same. So in this video, we will look at the mutual fund magic board, but you can use the ETF magic board in the exact same way. So without wasting the time, let's jump right into it. To open the MF magic board, you simply need to go to this analysis tools, then mutual funds, and here you have the option to open the MF magic board. Just click on it, and mutual funds magic board will be visible to you. Now, as you can see, the primary purpose of creating this tool is to filter and compare mutual funds or index funds or fund of funds based on their category or benchmark. So, let's say if you want to look at all the flexi-cap funds and then compare them, then you can simply do it by, as flexi-cap is a category, it is already in the category. I'll look at equity, then I look for flexi-cap. Flexi-cap is here. I'll click on it. And as you can see, we have all the flexi-cap funds here. There are more than 20, 30, so there are multiple pages, right? But all the flexi-cap funds are now visible to you. Now, you can also modify the columns as well. So right now you can see expense ratio, 1 year return, 3 year, 5 year CAGR, sharp ratio, etc. Now, if I want to add more columns, let's say I want to look at the minimum SIP amount in each of them, then I can add minimum SIP and then I can put it besides expense ratio. I'll hit on apply changes, and now you can see that I can also see the minimum SIP amount in all of them, right? And you can also sort them based on the columns that you are seeing. So if I want to find the funds with highest 1 year return, what I'll simply do is I'll click on it twice, and as you can see, Invesco India Focused Fund is the FlexiCap fund with 64.21% return. Right, then Quant FlexiCap fund is also in the fourth place with 54%. You can also compare them with the SARP ratio, so you can also sort them. So HDFC Focus 31st, so Focus 30 fund has highest Sharp ratio of 1.91. So it is providing highest risk-adjusted return in all the FlexiCap funds. You can also sort them based on expense ratio. So these are the funds with expense ratio on the higher side. These are the funds with expense ratio on the lower side. And here Parak Parik is topping, the retail favorite is topping the charts here with lowest expense ratio in FlexiCap category. Right? You can also look at the index funds that are FlexiCap index funds. So we have only three FlexiCap index funds. Or you can also check fund of funds. So there are almost six FOFs that are in the FlexiCap category. You can also filter them based on benchmark as well. So if you are into, let's say, you want to look at the funds whose benchmark is Nifty 500 TRI. So then click on benchmark. Here you find type Nifty 500 and there you go. These are the mutual funds who are using Nifty 500 as the benchmark, right? And again, you can do all the things. Now, another optionality that we have is you can generate the heat maps of these funds. So just simply click on this H button and it will generate the heat map. You can change the time frame. You can look at their 1 month return. You can look at their 1 year return. So in how these mutual funds have performed in 1 year. So all the mutual funds have positive 1 year return, but the highest one is the Franklin India Opportunities Fund with 70%, then Quant Value Fund is 70.55%. So you can also create that heat map. You can also download them this list by clicking in this download icon. So what it will download is it will download this whole list that we have. So this whole table will be downloaded, and you can change this to any benchmark if you want to look at debt funds, money market overnight, GLIT funds, then here are all the GLIT funds. So using this tool, you will be able to filter a category based filtration or benchmark based filtration. So you will be able to do it in a few clicks. So you want to filter based on category, mid cap, small cap, or DAT or hybrid, and you will be able to compare them in a single screen. So with this tool, we hope that you as an investor will be able to categorize some mutual funds and then find the right ones for your portfolio. Thank you.